So tayo na ay nandito sa Scratch para laruin ito. Today we got sound. What the? Okay. So pupunta na lang ako sa petal at sige. So gusto ko talagang i-edit pero hindi ko alam ang aking eyes. Ano po to? Sprunky interactive. Hindi kasi talaga ako marunong. Ito ba yun? Hindi yata ito yun. Hindi nga ito yun. Sprunky interactive. Oh no. He's missing an eye. Yes. So hindi yan lalagay natin ngayon. Coming Christmas. Christmas. What is this? What is this? What is this? I love this. I love this. I love this too. Alam niya naman namun ay hindi isang clinic ear. Okay, tingnan natin to kung ano ito. Kasi alam ko na may nilaro si Shadow, which is my biggest bean. Shadow, where is Shadow? Oh, there he is. Alam ko naman.
Tayo ngayon ay nasa Sprunky ngayon dahil ang dalawa to ay jowa. Dito may at mga dread, tignan mo ilagay natin lahat ng magjowa dito.
Okay.
So eto si
okay, Ricky. Please hurry up. Hurry up. Oh no. Love more games. Hello, where's my more games? What the heck is this? Okay. So, parang in love lang sila. Okay. I don't care if they're in love. I don't care if they're cheating. What? Bro. Tignan natin. Sige. Yung pakialaman yung karaoke sa namin. Kapitbahay namin. Hindi ko alam kung anong lalaroin ko. What should I play? Am I going to play? KCD8. Let's check on this. Sige na, sorry na. Please don't run from me. Okay. Pwede dyan oh, tahik. Tignan natin kung ano tsura ni Oren. This is what I saw in YouTube. Saan na ba yun? Where is that? This is what I saw in YouTube. I'm not wasting my time to find that garbage. Okay. Pero hindi pa natin nakita ang face. 800. 800, ano ba to? 879. So, okay. I love... Alam mo kung sino yung pinaka-paborito ko lahat dito? Yung paborito ko, ito, parang kamay niya yung inaalog niya eh. Kahit wala siyang inaalog. Okay. That is boring. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang lalaruin ko. So, dapat kasi full screen to. Oh, yes. Yes! Who is this? What is this? What the heck? Why are you looking at me like that, brother? Oh. Nana, yung hat mo. There. Please stop that face. I hate you. Ah! Okay. Brad Interactive. Tingnan natin kung sino pa, sino pang wala na ba interactive. Wow. Bakit lahat 1 hour about to? Baka 1 day ako. Tingnan natin. DL. Oh yes. Load more for me. Oh yeah. Ang title. Load more. Nga pala, andito ako saan. Alam niyo na kung saan ako, di ba? Sa Scorch. Sprinky. Load more. Last cancel update. Load more. Is this the same? Let's check on this. Oh yes. Bilisan mo. So nasa tablet ako. Oporta. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari ngayon dito, pero not pretty sure about this. Ah! What am I doing? Bro, nasa ano ako? Nasa game files ako, okay. What was that supposed to mean? Ano to? Please get out. Everyone get out. Oh wait. How do I click this? Please get out of me. Okay. Naayos ko na. Sige. Delete natin yan. Delete mo lahat. Okay. Nadi-delete ko na lahat. What the heck is happening today? Bro, I don't know what am I going to supposed to do here. Okay, I'm just going to reset that. Hindi ko na ma-reset kasi ano. Sige, tingnan natin. Beautiful. Yun. Merry Christmas, Ate girl. No! This is Soren. Pwede ba natin palit-palitan natin to? Pwede! What is? What the freak is this? Didn't expect that. New Year na ba? Pili ko hindi pa, no? Okay, yung kailangan kong gawin is, I don't know. Kalimutan lang. Kluk. Oh my god. Pagka inaano ko yung see inside, makikita nga natin yung mga insights. Okay. Oh no. Oh, what the heck am I doing right now? Oh, cool. Okay. Nagawa ko na si Portule. So, kaya ko lang gawin. Sige, see inside. She just...
Nagkat na naman yung foam dyan. Hindi mo binantayan. Ulit na naman.
Nawala ko na naman yung ano. Hello, Brody. You do anything there? Hanto, wedding. Hanto. Punch. Hanto, punch. Him. Next. Oh my god. What is that, Brody? This is what he looks like with no head. Blue. Where's Frankie at Itek? Okay, so pwede kong i-edit tong para sa prong ko. Okay. Pero man sigala na sa Christmas video.